Hey everyone. Okay, so about 13 years ago now, perhaps even a little bit more, I uploaded a video. I'm going to recreate it today since it's summer and it's a summer one, which was how to get this really gorgeous summer look to the skin. It's a very basic tutorial requiring two products, but it's a timeless look because it works on all skin and all ages, and the colors work on everyone. So let's make a start. So first thing I'm going to do is just put a bit of moisture back into my skin. So I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and I'm just applying enough to hydrate the skin. Now, the thing with this look, it works great on tan skin, it works great on all skin colors, but we are talking summer here. So works great on tan skin, great over fake tan. The only thing I like to do with this choice is, once you've done the look, please don't add anything else. Lip gloss, perfect. Mascara, obviously, but don't do a very strong eye because it starts to look very heavy. This is all about summer skin. So the skin has been prepped. Next, we're moving on to the most iconic product of all, NARS Exhibit A. This blusher suits everyone. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to apply it heavily. And I'm going to apply it right to the top of each cheekbone in a stripe. Then I'm going to connect that stripe to give this kind of V effect right here. So this is where the sun is going to hit you. I know it looks crazy. Now I'm going to go across the bridge of the nose. Now here's the thing. If you don't have a beard, I'm assuming you probably don't, hit the chin. And here's the other thing people miss. A stripe down the sides of the neck and right across the center. This, you have to do this. This pulls everything together. Now next comes foundation. I'm going to be using a powder foundation, technically a mineral foundation. You can use whatever you want. You can use a liquid or cream over this. It will work fine. I'm going to be using this one here, which is truly one of my favorite mineral foundations. It's by a company called Nude by Nature. It's incredible. You know, remember once upon a time, Bare Minerals? Well, they got destroyed, didn't they? So I'm going to get some product and we're going to place this now over all of this. The goal here is to blend over what we've just done and have the color, that red, just start to poke through the skin. Because red is such a bright color, it just gives this incredible, healthy, sun-kissed look to the skin as it pushes through. So you get this, I've been out in the sun and I look so healthy and gorgeous, but without having to use bronzer. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to work in sections. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to work it in. You want to take away the bulk, but at the same time, you need to leave behind that kind of, that undertone, that red has to come through. Just keep blending it in. It's with liquids and creams, it's obviously easier because you're patting directly over. And if you wanted to, you could absolutely, of course, just use a cream or a liquid blusher as well. Now I'm going over the nose. I love this look because it just makes you look healthy. Even though we know that real tans aren't particularly healthy, I love it. I love everything about it because you look so good. So now's the neck part. So you can see I'm lighter here. So I'm going to go down the neck and making sure that I'm hitting that area where I put the bronzer. We want this to be slightly red. It has to have that kind of slight burn to it, because that's how we get away with making this look natural, and how fake tans in general don't look natural. It's because there's no red undertone, and a real tan has a burn. It has a red undertone, a real tan. So this is why we do this. to give it this natural, beautiful, flush look all over. And yes, it's going to get on your clothes. I caught the sun, by the way, but it's going to get on your clothes. Don't wear white. What can you do? I'm just going to go here. So I'm going to rinse this off in a sec. And don't forget your ears. You can actually add a bit of blusher to the ear if you want to, but some people may be taking it a step too far. Now for me, this is so perfect, but I'm now just going to just hit a little bit more with the blusher and then just blend it in. Just a touch more on the temple area. You could add some freckles here if you wanted. So the reason I spoke earlier on about saying, when you do this, this is all about skin. It's just about skin and skin looking healthy and summery. If you were to add strong eye makeup now, it would just destroy the look. So please just think about skin only. I'm going to add a very small amount of mascara. Just to frame the eyes, just to open them back up. It's all you need. You could add, I personally wouldn't, but you could add a touch of highlighter here. But for me, I wouldn't. I want this to look like skin. A slick of Vaseline, lip balm, a lip gloss, you'll be good to go. I just need to, and this is really important when using a powder like we've used here, I have to set this with a setting spray because I need the skin not to be so matte, because skin in general isn't perfectly matte and we need this to look more like skin. So I'm going to take a setting spray and I'm going to spritz this all over the face. And this is not to hold the makeup, it's just to make the skin look more like skin again. I don't want it to be matte. This is that kind of skin that you have woken up when you've been on holiday and you just look, we've all had a tan, majority of us, and we all look healthier and better. This is mimicking that look. That's all it's doing. It's mimicking the look of a real tan, real sun, and this gorgeous, fresh skin that comes with it. There you go. There you have it. Summer skin. The summer skin you've always wanted. Simple, easy to do, looks great on all ages, all sexes. It always works. Yes, there's going to be slight issues with this because of course we need our bodies to match. So, you know, what can you do? Sometimes you have to bring makeup down. I love this look. It just reminds me of why I got into makeup, which was because I was just so obsessed with skin and skin looking healthy and vibrant. And this is that perfect summer makeup. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.